I will tell you what I think. No. No. What is he going to do in Chicago? Yeah. He's not even a top team in America. And if my info is right, I don't know. Don't quote me, but because they told me that they will play in MLS 2. That's the second team of Chicago. I don't know if it's the truth, I don't know. They told me. So I will ask him when I see him. And that is even worse. But I know what happened. A nice little woman who is his agent and thinks she knows football is doing what many agents are doing. How much can I get? If she is a little bit clever, she knows that there is AFCON, and she knows that next year there is World Cup, that there will be other teams better for his career to go to, and not to Chicago. What is he going to do alone there in the big city like that? So no, I don't think it's a good choice.